Alright, and on this portion of the video, starting part 16, we have laid the engine down on its side. Now we had it sitting on these two blocks just for support. Here you can see we have a couple of screws that we need to take off, which comes with a gasket that's going to free this bottom portion here. So those screws are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for a total of 10 screws. Step 16 will be removing this lower portion that the expansion chamber sits on and that the backside of the engine has the majority of its weight. So we will now prepare to do that. Let's first figure out what size these screws are. If I had to guess, 5/8 or 9/16. 9/16. Looks like 9/16 is generally everything we got going on. Let's keep that off of there. So let's go ahead and grab this pair. You know what? We will need an extension. Shorty. For this portion here. Okay, looks like I'm gonna need both hands for this. So we'll loosen these up and we'll continue there.